Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today we are going to talk about this Htc5 hygrometer and temperature meter, which is come in this box and there is no marking or any kind of manual. So we are going to open it up and we found this Htc5 temperature and humidity meter, and there is nothing else, only one sticker like this. We have to place it on the back and just stick it anywhere like a wall or something like that, and there is no any kind of indication. It is sleek and small and gadget type of thing, which we have to place it like that on the tabletop or like this. On this part we can see the temperature and this part we can see the humidity. If I blow air on this part, because it is going to measure the humidity and temperature from inside the sensors of the body, and it will start changing the measurements in a matter of time. So it is I think slower reaction. Now it have changed around this one. It takes a lot of time to measure the live humidity and temperature. So on the back side, if it sense any kind of temperature or humidity, if we place it any place like this one, it will gather the uh, measurement and then it will show. So on the back side we have this small connection, so we have to open it up and see what's inside. So on the inside we have a simple LED. This is the LED which is being shown on the front, and this is a circuitry, and this is a battery cell. Over here we have to change it by pushing it outside and then place the new one. Over here we have this 2-in-1 humidity and temperature sensor. From this part it will sense the temperature and humidity, then it will show, and there is nothing else inside of the compartment. It's showing a lot of details. And with this sticker we have to place it on the back side and then stick it anywhere, unlike like this one which we have shown in the previous video. This one is the same as this one, the LEDs are the same, but it is kind of bulky like this, and like that. It is same as that, but the phase is minimized in this controller. As you can see, it's showing smallest phase and this is showing bigger phase, and this one is and this one doesn't show any kind of model number, so we usually called it Htc4. So this one is Htc4 and this one is Htc5. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.